Power outages can disrupt your Rheem AC unit's normal operation, leading to cooling failure. This often occurs due to electrical surges damaging components like capacitors or the control board. Components like capacitors can be damaged by surges. The sudden loss of power can cause the system's settings, like the thermostat, to reset to default, preventing the AC from restarting correctly. Older models are more susceptible than newer, smart home-enabled units that often have automatic restart features. We will go over ways to fix this. Before diving into complex solutions, start with the basics. Check your circuit breaker panel for tripped breakers related to the AC unit. Inspect the unit's disconnect switch, typically located near the outdoor condenser, and ensure it's in the on position. Power cycling involves turning the AC off at the breaker for a few minutes, then turning it back on. This can reset the system and resolve minor issues. Capacitors are essential components in your Rheem AC unit. They store electrical charge needed to start the compressor and fan motors, providing the extra power required for initial operation. This is what a healthy capacitor looks like. It appears as a cylindrical component, often labeled with its capacitance value in microfarads and voltage rating. When a power outage occurs, the sudden loss and restoration of electricity can create power surges. These surges can overload and damage the capacitor, causing it to bulge, leak, or fail completely. This prevents the motors from starting properly. To inspect the capacitor, first safely disconnect power to the unit to avoid electrical hazards. The capacitor is typically located inside the outdoor unit, often near the compressor or on the control board. When inspecting, look carefully for physical signs of damage. Bulging indicates internal pressure buildup, while leaking shows electrolyte fluid escaping, both of which mean the capacitor needs replacement. Before replacing, check your unit's specifications. For many Rheem single-phase systems, capacitors range from 35 to 50 microfarads. Always use the exact replacement part to ensure proper function. Replacing the capacitor is often a straightforward DIY repair, but it must be done with caution. Discharge the capacitor safely, ensure power is off, and follow proper wiring connections to avoid electrical shock or further damage to your unit. Remember, working with electrical components can be dangerous. If you're not comfortable with the process, it's best to consult a qualified technician to ensure the repair is done safely and correctly. While not directly caused by power outages, airflow problems from dirty filters can worsen cooling issues. A clogged filter blocks air movement, making the AC work harder and cool less effectively. Refrigerant leaks can cause low levels, especially after power fluctuations stress the system. This makes cooling harder. Look for ice buildup on refrigerant lines as a warning sign. The refrigerant cycle involves evaporation for cooling, compression, condensation, and expansion. Insufficient refrigerant breaks this process, reducing AC performance after power events. If you suspect refrigerant leaks or cannot resolve airflow issues, call a qualified HVAC technician. They can diagnose and fix problems like leaks or filter replacements. Many Rheem AC issues after a power outage can be fixed with simple DIY steps. Trip breakers often just need resetting by flipping the switch from trip to on position. Thermostat problems can usually be resolved by cycling power or checking settings and cleaning contacts. Air filters should be replaced regularly, but after an outage, ensure they're clean and properly seated. However, for more complex issues, it's best to call a qualified HVAC technician. If you suspect a faulty control board, which might show error codes or fail to power on, professional diagnosis is needed. Refrigerant leaks require special tools and certification to handle safely. Working with electrical components without experience can cause shocks or further damage. Attempting these repairs yourself may void your Rheem warranty and could be hazardous. Protect your Rheem AC unit from future power outage damage by installing surge protectors. These devices prevent electrical surges from harming sensitive components like capacitors and control boards. Regular maintenance, including annual tune-ups by a qualified technician, can identify and fix potential issues before they cause breakdowns. Rheem units are designed for reliability, but proactive maintenance extends their lifespan and prevents costly repairs. The future of HVAC includes smart systems with built-in power outage recovery modes that automatically handle disruptions. Rheem's newer models often feature EcoNet integration, allowing for remote diagnostics and automatic restart functions after outages. As technology advances, expect to see more AI-driven diagnostics and predictive maintenance to minimize downtime after power disruptions. Grid modernization and battery backup solutions will also play a role in enhancing power outage resilience for HVAC systems.